In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a new email address in Gmail. So there are two ways that you can do this. You can either use the web version of Gmail to create a new account, or you can use the app. For this video, I'm going to be using the app because they make it really easy. So if you don't have the app already on your phone, go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download it. And then once you have that installed, go ahead and open up the Gmail app. But since you're creating a new Gmail address, you most likely are going to have one already logged in. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you log out of your current one to create a new one. So to do that, you go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right of the page. Then you just want to scroll down and then it says add another account. Tap on that and you want to tap on Google. I'll just need to verify myself. Now you'll be on this page and you can tap on create account there at the bottom. So you can either create an account for yourself or to manage your business. For this specific email address, it's going to be a business email, so I'll select business, but you can decide that. Then you want to enter in your name. Once you've done that, tap on next. Now you need to enter in your date of birth, so I'll go ahead and do that. And you also have to select your gender. Tap on next at the bottom when you've done that. Now you will need to select your username for your new Gmail address, so I'll go ahead and fill that in and see if that's available. Okay, so it looks like it's available for me, so I can go ahead and tap on next at the bottom when I'm done. Now you'll need to select a password, so go ahead and do that. Once you have selected your password, you tap on next at the bottom once again, and you can choose to add your phone number. I won't be doing that just yet, so I'll just tap on skip right at the bottom. And now you'll just need to review your information, so everything looks good for me, so I'll tap on next. Now you'll need to accept the privacy terms. Just scroll down and then tap on I agree, and now it's creating the account for me. And then once the account has been created, it will log you into the account, and as you can see, I'm logged in and I'm on the primary inbox. So that is how you create a new email address in Gmail in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.